Good morning, everyone. I'm on my way to the airport with Amber. We're about to go to a little family holiday weekend. It's also my birthday this weekend, so I thought I would take you guys along with. Just received my white elephant gift. I'm going to show it to you guys before I leave as I was about to walk out the door. So one last thing to check off the list. I'm going to my family's house in Georgia. I'm going to stay with my sister. I don't know if I'm going to get a ton of footage of said trip just because there's going to be a lot of family time. I'm not sure how much vlogging I'll be doing, but we're going to have a family cookie exchange. I've never posted any family content on my channel, so that'll be really fun for you guys to see. We're gonna go out for my birthday, and then when I get back, I have a girls' miss to go to a couple days later, so I figured I would just put together like a fun holiday cozy vlog. So before I head out, I got my white elephant gifts in the mail. I ended up picking up more of those perfumes from Dossier. I showed you guys, if you watched my vlog a couple of weeks ago, you would have seen me talk about my new favorite fragrance, my signature fragrance. I've worn it every day since, and I get so many compliments. It's the Woody Sandalwood perfume from Dossier. It is so good. Truly the best smell I've ever smelled. So I picked one of those up to give a family member for my white elephant gift this year. It's perfect. You guys have never heard of Dossier. They are a fragrance brand that makes designer dupes, basically. You can get anything from YSL, Gucci, Dior, Chanel, Baccarat, any designer fragrance with no markups. All of them are super affordable and they smell just like the designer fragrances. So I picked up the Woody Sandalwood one to gift, but I also picked up a couple for me, of course. I'm obsessed with the YSL Y scent, and I don't know if you guys have ever smelled it. It just smells so incredibly good. So I picked one of those up. This is their aromatic pineapple. I would never have said pineapple for this. That's so interesting. This has bergamot, ginger, pineapple, sage, geranium, and juniper berry. And then I also picked up the Le Labo rose dupe. I've never smelled this before. That sounds really good, actually. Oh, that is lovely. That's really nice. I really like that one. I'm such a huge Le Labo scent fan, so if you guys want to get your hands on designer fragrances at a fraction of the cost, you can head to the description box to check out their holiday sales for up to 50% off. Link will be down below. Let's go ahead and jet off. This fragrance smells so amazing. I think I found a new favorite. Throwing my present in my bag, and I'm headed to the airport to go have some family time, so come with me. Oh my god, it's raining outside, unfortunately. I'm in Georgia at my sister's house. Look at these really cute little, what are these guys called? Nutcracker men. How cute are these? We're about to go to my other cousin's because we're about to do a big cookie exchange, a family cookie exchange where we all bake our own cookies and exchange them. And we're all gonna spend the night. There's like 20 people, 25 people. There's 9 kids alone, and then all of their parents, cousins, and all of our moms and our dad, one uncle. I don't know actually if my uncle's coming now that I think of it. That's what's going on today, so come along with me. A little suburban, wholesome day. Look at this little suburban neighborhood, guys. So cute. These are the cookies I made. Peanut butter. They're almost done. I actually made a bunch of them, so we have a bunch of Reese's peanut butter cookies. And I will catch up with you when we get there. is my Christmas outfit. Everybody's in Christmas PJs. I want to say these are from Misguided. Look at this.
It's so crazy.
Do you show them? Everybody's at mom. Say hi to the mom. Hi. This is too many cookies.
Bet, you want to run it back?
Ooh, I want a piece of pizza. What are you doing? I know. Just got home from a little fun night out for my birthday. Today's my birthday. We just went to this fun little hookah lounge. It was like bingo night. It was honestly so ideal. Came down here for like an annual cookie exchange, and I don't know how much footage I got, but it was super fun. I just had like a nice chill weekend with family. I haven't spent a birthday with family in so many years. Like at least 10 years, I would think. I don't know. 5 to 10 years. I can't remember. My memory is fading me, but it's so nice to be able to be around family for your birthday. I have family all over, so it's very rare for everyone to be in one spot, so that was super nice. Yesterday, we had a little cookie exchange. We did a little white elephant gifting. We had a little dance party. I saw my grandma try to twerk, which was eventful. So funny. Just a good, wholesome weekend. Ready for girls' night. Forgot I was filming a whole video. Back on my Estee Lauder foundation. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear. It looks so good at night. Can you guys hear all that rain and whatnot? It is raining in LA. It's been raining the last few days. Kind of nice though. Good weather for December. The holiday weather. It's gloomy out. It's dark out. Tonight I'm just getting ready for Girlsmas. Amber and her friends do like an annual Christmas party, so I'm gonna go to that. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to have drinks and music on. So I'm just doing a quick face. I need to actually curl my hair before I do my makeup, huh? Maybe I'll just finish my contour and then I'll bake, then I'll put my hair up. I popped the camera on because I wanted to show you guys how I've been doing my like blowout hair. Okay, did we do something? Okay, contour. Leave a comment down below if you guys also think that getting ready is like peak of the night. I would say peak of the night, aside from when you first get there and like say hi to everybody and have like your first shot of the night. Getting ready is definitely up there with the peak. It's just so fun getting ready. I don't know, just listening to music, which I'm not doing right now because I'm filming for you guys, but wine is being had. These are some gorgeous glasses my sister bought me for my birthday, whatever brand this is. I really like them, but wine is being had. Let's curl my hair because I forgot about it. I was gonna do straight tonight, but in this spirit of Christmas and festivities, I feel like I have to curl it and make it look really big and voluminous, you know what I mean? I take a whole front section. Going to take my big curling iron. It's in my bathroom, but I basically just like curl the pieces backward. Does that make sense? I always do that to this front piece. I curl it backwards and then I'm gonna pin it up. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do that really fast. Pinned my bangs. Now I'm just gonna take this curling iron. This one is 1 inch. I wish I had 1.5, but I don't. I only have 1 inch and 2 inch. So I'm just gonna curl this backwards. I always do my face framing layers first. That way they have the most time to cool down. Those are the pieces I curl kind of the tightest, obviously, because I want it to stay in all night. It's also raining outside, so this should be a very interesting night. Probably should have just done a bun or something, but it's no fun for the holidays. Okay, I like to let it out a little bit and let it cool just a tiny bit so it's not super like Shirley Temple. When I take it out. Okay. For the rest of them, I'm gonna just curl them with the same curling iron and then pin it up with a roller. That way it gives me a bombshell blowout hair and not super uniform curled, like tight curls. Does that make sense? Hope I'm making sense. How did I used to do tutorials? Anyway. Letting it out first, and then I'm gonna take the roller and roll her up. Palette. I don't even know what this is called. Oh, the Topaz Obsession. Let's just use a little bit of this. I want to do like a bronzy eye look. I'm going to use the little gold on my eyelids today for a super bronzy. I'm going to do the dark brown in this orange. I never do eye makeup anymore. But sometimes when I go out and I really try my makeup, I'm like, okay, period, I look cute. Like, it's definitely noticeable when you do like a whole full face, you know, when you really contour and like powders and creams and you really do it all. You really try the full glam look, it really does pay off. I also want to use this Glossier Play Highlight Concentrate. Yes. Finishing my look off with some KKW Beauty brown liner and then this Merit Beauty lipstick lip gloss in the color All Natural. I'm going to just spray some setting powder and then we can get dressed and head out the door. I also have to go take my dog out like this. I'll be back. I'm gonna go take her out with the rollers on my hair. Successfully took the dog out without getting my hair wet. It is pouring raining outside. This is what I'm gonna wear tonight. It's this super cute meshki top. This is not like super holiday vibe. I totally realized, but I didn't feel like going and shopping for this little girl's muss. So I'm just wearing this. This is a cute fur top from Meshki and this adorable like flowy skirt. Super old, I've never worn it, from White Fox Boutique. And I'm just gonna do some knee-high boots and call it a day. Cute little wintry girl outfit. Okay, I'm dressed. It's time to take out our hair. Let's see what we're working with here. Okay, could be getting somewhere. This is the first time I've ever really done it like this, so I'm just trying to test out different vibes, different ways to curl my hair. I think I like this though, because I didn't want just fully blown out hair because that obviously will lose its curl, but I didn't want super tight curls obviously because I'm not trying to be in my Shirley Temple at the moment. My favorite piece of all, the bangs. Yes, honey. I've got to flat iron my roots a little bit, but big voluptuous hair, and it took me, I don't know, 20 minutes to do it. Yes, honey. Okay, I'm gonna put some, I'm gonna actually touch up these curls in the front. Whole outfit, so cute and girly. I love this fur top. I'm gonna go ahead and leave right now and I'll show you guys some footage of the party tonight. Little white elephant game. It'll be fun. I'm gonna get the best prize because I'm number 10, which is last. Almost.